Yes, good evening, everyone. Please do revise the notes. We'll start the session as soon as your friends joins. Musab, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm on Lepakshi ready, right? Okay, guys. So I asked you to solve a couple of problems, like how many have you done with that? I shared a worksheet as well. So how many have you done with the worksheet, and how many of you are following up with the worksheet? I don't see anyone of you, texting me actually.
So you told us to text you when we have completed.
Not when we have completed. I asked you to do. I asked you to solve on everyday basis. Every day.
Sir, I completed level 1 and level 2 half of the problem, sir.
Okay, so you like first suppose you are solving like every day 5 problems, then you must text me those 5 problems. Like you text I have solved 5 problems. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so please do don't be like without solving the problems. You must solve the problems and drop me a message so that I can understand how far you guys are solving. Okay. One second. Many of you have been joined. Vectors, right? How many questions we have solved in vectors, guys? How many questions we have seen?
Sir, we have solved 3 questions. You have given 4th and 5th as homework.
Yes. How many have you done that?
So I have done 4th, but I didn't get 5th one.
Okay.
I wasn't able to find the values of lambda 1.
Okay. So no problem. We'll try to solve that now. So what about others, guys?
Sir, no, sir.
You did not solve it.
No, sir, I didn't.
Why?
Sir, actually, that I missed, sir. I didn't remember, sir, to solve from the notes, sir. I was solving the assignment, sir. I didn't remember that, sir.
See, without solving, like you have to solve the problem. That's all. You can't be like we can't avoid that actually, isn't it? Is it clear? Chalo, we'll solve the problems now. Musa is joining. Musa has joined. So fourth one we have to solve it. Fourth one. See fourth one. Do you want me to teach, guys?
Sir, did you share the screen?
What he has given? Fourth one he has given that A is equal to B is equal to C are unit vectors, right? A, B, C are unit vectors. Am I recording, guys?
Yes, sir.
So, and modulus of B is equal to what? Magnitude of ABC is 1 million. And he also given that A minus B, everything he has given. So, C, and he's asking for that. So guys, because A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square, तो इसको कैसे लिख सकता हूँ मैंने? A square plus.
Sir, did you share the screen?
Oh my goodness, I'm not sure. One second, guys. So A square plus B square minus times of AB plus A square plus C square
Minus 2 is
right like this.
okay.
Yes or no? So here one. So after this, what do you get?
So A vector,
One instead of writing this stuff.
so A dot B
One
vector
second. Can I write like this instead of writing less? Can I write directly? Now, if you solve this, guys, 1 second. If you solve this, I got this is equal to what?
minus 2. Yeah, so A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector equals to minus 2.
What's the answer of this? So
So 2. Final answer is 2.
1 plus 1 minus 2 times of A, B plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 times of B plus.
Mi-
Yeah, 8 दिया है ना? It's equal to 8.
Yes, sir.
So here 4 minus 2 common.
Minus 2 आ जाएगा.
So this is what I get is equal to 8 minus 4. Isn't it? 2 plus 2, so 4 1, so 4 directly 4 I write here. So 2 ones are
Minus 2.
2 are. So A, B, C, C is equal to minus 12. Is that it? Yes or no? Yes. इसके बाद क्या करना है? So and he also given one more thing here. A plus 2B whole square, right? So A plus 2B whole square. A plus 2B whole square plus A plus 4C whole square is equal to A square plus 4 modular magnitude of B square plus 4 times R AB plus this can be written as what? This can be written as what? A vector square plus 4 C vector square plus 4 AC. So substitute what you get here. So 1 plus 4 plus 4 times of A vector B vector 1 plus 4 plus 4 times of A vector C vector. We have to find it out. So कितना मिलेगा?
So 10 plus 4 A vector dot
Answer
B
मिला
vector
इधर.
plus A vector C vector.
A vector. So A vector and B C vector. This can be as what 10 plus 4.
Answer 2, sir.
So my answer is going to be very simple, guys. इतना बड़ा question नहीं था. Simple question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
How simple it is. So direct substitution. Substitution you have to make it out. ज़्यादा नहीं था. Yes. Next question. Make it fast. Solve this question. So A vector given, B vector given, C vector given, or 3 vectors such that B is equal to 2 times of A vector, and A is perpendicular to C, then possible values of lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. भाई सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, तो ए इज परपेंडिकुलर टू सी दिया है, तो व्हाट कैन आई राइट हियर नाउ? सो हाउ शुड आई स्टार्ट दिस? If you observe carefully, guys, look at this here. 3 times. So देखो, this ये 2 is a double of, like, 4 is a double of 2, 3 is a double of this. So somewhere I'm getting somewhere. Look at this here. Can I write given I plus lambda? Is 3 minus lambda. Yes, tell me. I thought someone is calling.
Sir, if A is perpendicular to C, then A dot C will be equal to 0.
Sorry. Hello. Yes. Yes, Abhinav, tell me.
Sir, like if A is it's perpendicular to C, so A dot C will be equal to 0.
हाँ, वो 0 होगा. देखो मैंने ये बोल रहा हूँ, इधर A and B, you just observe this. What you getting here?
Sir, 3 minus lambda 2 equal to 2 lambda 1.
हाँ, तो देखो, can I write like this now somewhere? If I compare, can I write like this? B is equal to, B is a 2 times of A vector. So which means, look at this, 4i 3 minus lambda 2 j cap plus 6k cap is equal to 2 times of A. A means 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4i plus 2 lambda 1 j cap plus 6k cap. Isn't it? I can compare now. If I compare, look at this will get cancelled. What I remain with now? Simply 3 minus lambda 2 is equal to 2 lambda 1.
Yes, sir.
So what can you solve? How can you solve it now? Yes. So 3 minus lambda 2. And given, let us say this is equation number 1. Equation number 1. And given A dot C is equal to 0. A vector, D vector. So vector A given, how can we do this? That's dot product. How can I make dot? So 6. So 2 3 are 6 plus 6 lambda 1.
Lambda 1. 3
3 times of lambda.
Lambda 3 minus.
To solve this, so 6 plus 6 lambda 1 plus 3 lambda 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So now 6 minus 3, so 6 lambda 1 plus 3 lambda 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, so if you can take 3 common, right? So 2 lambda 1 plus lambda 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it clear?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? So lambda 3 is equal to what? So minus 2 times of lambda 1 minus lambda 3. -1 -1 -1 ए भाई क्या कर रहा है ये minus? Yes, this is second number equation. So lambda 3. So look at this here. So from the first and second equation, so let me give the options first. Let me give the options. Let us see. So C, the lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 is what here? Option A is 1, 3, 1. Option B is -1/2, 4, 0. Option C is 1/2, 4, -2. Option D is 1, 5, 1. This is what he has given. So now which equation is satisfying? Like which coordinates are satisfying here? So here I know I got lambda 1. So lambda 1 value. So lambda 1 is what? 3 minus lambda 2/2.
Yes, sir.
Lambda 3 क्या है? ये है.
-2 lambda minus.
So which is satisfying? Look at this. Lambda 1 क्या होता है? Find it out. Lambda 1. If I solve these two, what I'm going to get? Okay.
Lambda 1 equals
Yes. So if I solve these two together, what I'm going to get? 2 lambda 1 minus 1 है ना? So 2 lambda 1 can be written as what here? Look at this here now. So 2 lambda 1 is equal to -1 minus lambda 3. And इधर भी 2 lambda 1 है तो so 3 minus lambda 2 is equal to -1 minus lambda 3. So lambda 2 is equal to 4 plus lambda 3. This is what I got, isn't it? So now tell me which equation is satisfying. Lambda 1 क्या होता है? Solve this now. Solve this. What are the coordinates? Lambda 1, lambda 2, and simple calculation here. So look at this now. So after solving this, if I substitute here, so if I substitute lambda 1, lambda 3 value, so it must get satisfied. So then only our value is correct. So look at this now. Let us have a, if I take first option, lambda 1 as 1, lambda 1 as 1, tell me lambda 1, if I take lambda 1 is 1, what is going to get? So lambda 2 is equal to 2. So
lambda 2 equals to 1.
1 हो जाएगा. So lambda 2 1 means lambda 3 is going to be -3. So 1 minus
Yes.
3, not possible. Not possible. We are not getting that. So now if I check the second option, if I check the second option, look at this. -1/2. Verify again. -1/2 means -1/2 is equal to 3 minus lambda 2/2. So -2. So -1 is equal to 3 minus
Lambda 2 equals to 4. Then lambda 3 equals to
lambda 2 is equal to 4, right?
yes, sir. Lambda 3 equals to 0. That's
So
all.
4 to option
C option is right, sir.
B and C option, any one of these possible. So option like lambda 3 is what? If lambda 2 I know means lambda 3 is what?
Sir, lambda 3 is 0.
Lambda 3 is what? 0. So option B is correct. Pakka correct हो जाएगा. This is how we can just verify it. Clear? This is how we can just simple calculation. The presence of mind is must and should here. If you are like showing your presence of mind, then very simple. Parallel direct formula लगाओ भाई. 6th one, make it first. 6th one. Let us see how many of you are going to solve this. Value of parallelepiped, I just asked you to do box ABC.
Sir, once called on, sir.
Box ABC. Guys, value of parallelepiped is given 158, and whose coterminous? Coterminous edges means what? ABC. ABC. All right. Guys, in the notes I might have forgot to give you coterminous edges को क्या बोलता है? Coterminous edges are ABC. Coterminous edges are denoted by ABC. Clear? समझ आया? All right. So coterminous edges given here. Then I must Volume of parallelepiped given. B is equal box ABC. Find out this box ABC मतलब determinate find out करना बस. How I need to find out? How I need to find out? Volume is equal box ABC. Box ABC. Tell me what is the answer?
Sir, 8.
हाँ, look at this. अरे भाई, whenever I have three vectors, what I told you, just take coefficients of 1, 1,
The
n,
answer is 8.
4. Answer is what?
N equals to 8.
N is equal to 8, yeah. तो 2, 4 क्या आता है इधर minus n, तो 1, n, 3. So if you solve this, and he has given here is equal to 158. So if I take, what is your equation? N value you will be getting 8, yes. Guys, everyone got n value as 8. Then he's asking for what? He's asking for what? He's asking for B dot C क्या होता है? He's asking for B dot C. Question is I think. He's asking for B dot C is equal to what? Whose coordinate is given by G? Guys, B dot C is equal to what? He's asking for B dot C is equal to what? Make it fast.
So B dot C equals to 10.
B dot C is equal to 10.
10.
How?
Sir, A dot C पहले निकालना पड़ेगा.
A dot C पहला हमारे को B dot C करने के लिए B dot C पहला क्यों करना है? देखो 2 into 1. तो देखो भाई B dot C is what? 2 plus 4n minus 3n.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो what is equal to what? ये n कैसा होगा? तो substitute n value.
Sir, n is 8 and B
Substitute
dot C
10.
is
B dot
10.
C is 10.
10 value. So option is this is correct. So B dot C is asking for very simple, right? So very simple. कितना simple सा था? Very simple, isn't it, guys?
Sir, this came in IT, sir. Means.
हाँ JEE का क्वेश्चन है भाई. This has been asked in somewhere, yeah, 2020. Yeah, questions JEE questions will be as innocent as possible, but हमारे को घूम घुमा भी रहा है and हमारे से खेल भी सकता है, हमारे से गुलाब जाम भी क्या बोलते हैं आइसक्रीम भी दिला सकता है. तो इतना सिंपल हो सकता है. आया समझ? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन क्विकली. ऑप्शन ए -22, ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन सी -30. मेक इट फास्ट. Then make it fast. All right, done. What he has given x not be the point of local maxima of f of x is equal to a dot b cross c, where a vector, b vector, c vector given as the value of a dot b, b dot c, c dot d. Why? Look at this here. For this question, f of x is equal to something a dot b cross c. So which means box ABC can I do? Which means box ABC, isn't it? So f of x is equal to box ABC.
Yes, sir.
If you observe the formulas properly, this is what does it mean. So a b c, look at this here, x
X
minus 2 3 minus 2 x minus 1 7 minus 2 x. So what would I get here? So x value, what I got x value, find it out.
X cube minus 27x plus 26 of x value.
X cube minus
23x.
20
27x plus 26.
plus 26. This is what you got. This is f of x. भाई इसका फैक्टर्स कैसा फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं हम लोग? See here, we know one thing here. How can we find out the factors?
Sir, we can substitute trial and error method, sir.
Yes, look
When
at this.
first try to
I
substitute,
just know the 1 by 0 here.
Synthetic division.
Synthetic division method, yes. By using synthetic division method, I can just do this. I taught your brother's class, Bhargav's class, 9th standard. Look at this here. What which value is going to substitute? If I which value of x it is going to no give me? Which value of x gives me 0 is equal to 0? What value of x it gives me satisfaction? Look at what value of gives me solution. Look at this. If I substitute 3, what will happen? 1. X is equal to 1. So 1 था. So first I need to write this 1 as it is. So 1 into 1, 1. So 1 here. 1 into 1, 1 again. Minus 26. 1 into 26, 26. So 0. So what are the factors I got now? So x minus, sorry.
Square minus
X square minus x.
Sir,
cube
x square
minus
plus
20.
x minus 26 equal to 0.
Factorize this, factorize this. If I factorize, so what I'm going to get? (26) x square. So what are the factors? X square minus 26 x square. 13 2s.
Sir, we won't get a proper fraction, sir. Like proper root.
We won't get proper root. Yes.
Yes, sir, we won't get.
1 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac.
So this is what. So now, guys, local maxima. Local maxima means, you know, whenever you ask you for local maxima, local minima, you have to find out derivative of the given function. What's the derivative of given function? Look at this. What is the derivative of
3x square minus 27.
Okay.
minus
3x
20?
square minus 27.
Guys, look at this here. Local maxima minima concept is a calculus part. Calculus concept.
Sir, then we have to find f double dash x.
Minus 27.
So local maxima minima is a concept of your calculus part. So 3x square minus 27 I got. So 3x square minus 27, what are the factors? Can I take 3 common? So x square minus 9.
X plus 3 into x minus 3.
X minus 3 into x plus 3. So what he has given, look at this here. What he has given, at x is equal to x naught. He's asking. So x naught be a point of local maxima. So if I take x naught, look at it here. So local maxima, what is the point now? X naught point can be what now? X is equal to x naught can be what? 3 and minus 3, isn't it?
Yes,
You
sir.
understand my point? See guys, local maximum minima, you can just do this by using wavy curve method as well. You can do it. Wavy curve method. Wavy curve method means what? Look at this here. First, I need to plot my critical points. 3 and minus 3. All right. So I have odd powers here. If I have odd powers, what I must do is simply I just write plus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus, minus. So I need to take only positive sides here. Positive region. So if I take positive region is like greater than 3. So and minus 3. I have these two possibilities. So x is equal to, if I take minus 3, x naught is equal to minus 3, what is going to get? What I'm going to get? Look at this. What he's asking for? He's asking for a dot b, b dot c, c dot a. So a dot b. Look at this here. A dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to what? Calculate this. A dot b. What is a dot b? A dot b. Tell me minus. Tell me guys. Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Minus 2x minus x plus 7x plus 4 plus 3x and is equal to what I got here. Look at this. Is equal to what I got. Is equal to what? Look at this. Calculate all this stuff. Guys, after doing a dot b, I'll get this one. If I calculate all this stuff, so what would I get? Minus 4, minus 6, minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 will get cancelled here. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Minus 7 plus 7 will get cancelled. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो मुझे बचेगा क्या बचेगा?
Sir,
3x
3 minus. अच्छा.
minus 17, 13, minus 13.
3x
17 minus 14. Yes. And this is what I remain with now. So at x is equal to x naught मुझे क्या था? Minus 3. तो मुझे मिलेगा this is what I got now. So substitute करो. Minus 3 into 3 minus 13. I'll get minus कितना 7, 22.
22.
22 option available. Yes, 22 option available. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, once again, sir.
Yes.
After like differentiation, after that.
एक मिनट भाई मैंने कैलकुलेशन किया. हाँ. Tell me.
Sir, after differentiation, we did f dash x. After that,
F dash of x. Look at this here. We have done this. We have done this. Are you copying, Abhinav? Make it fast.
copying, sir. I don't understand after f dash x, sir. Like x is equal to x naught. Ye from where? How did we take this? After that, I did not understand.
Look at this here. Have you learned about local maxima, local minima concept?
Yes, sir.
Local maxima, minima. What is the concept? What is the concept of local
Like
maxima?
f dash.
Huh? Local maxima, minima. हेलो, क्या आप रेस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे भाई? अरे भाई, whenever you have Wavy curve method, look at this Wavy curve method. You want local maxima here. Abhinav, are you here? He's asking for local maxima. X not be a local maxima point. Now, by using Wavy-Cow method, have you heard about local Wavy-Cow method, Abhinav?
Sir, no, sir.
In functions and look at this here. That is a shortcut actually. In a functions and relation, whenever you get a question, whenever you get an expression, something like this, and he's asking you to find out, some point, which point can make that particular expression satisfied. So for in that kind of situation, what you must do is you must solve by Wavy-Cow method. So look at it. This Wavy-Cow method is applicable whenever I have odd powers. Whenever I have odd powers. Whenever I have odd powers. Odd power. Look at this odd power I have here. So he's asking for local maxima. Whenever he's asking for local maxima, look at this. It is starting at, it is, starting, I mean, like, plus, minus, plus, right? So look at this here. When it is increasing and decreasing here, it is started increasing and decreasing. When it decreases, starting point is what? -3. So that is the reason I took -3 here. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So we will solve Wavy-Cow method questions. I think that is a shortcut method. I think you have solved. Wavy-Cow method is a very good concept actually. Very, very good concept. Important concept too. It will be very, 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 very useful for all chapters. Wherever you go, relations and function, for finding range and domain, for finding the couple of calculation. I mean, for finding maxima, minima points. Wavy-Cow method is very useful, right? So Wavy-Cow method means ऐसा हमने number line पे numbers plot करके after plotting the numbers on a number line, you must look at at which point it is getting high and at which point it is getting decreased. So he's asking for local maxima. Look, it's high and getting decreased here. You understand? It is high and getting decreased. You need local maxima. It is increasing and getting, it is decreasing again. All right. Increase and started decreasing here. So at what point it started decreasing? So you remember, whenever he's asking for local maxima, at what point it started increasing and at what point it started decreasing? Somewhere it has started increasing. At what point it started decreasing here? At what point it started decreasing? At कहाँ से minus शुरू हो रहा है भाई? -3 से minus शुरू हो रहा है ना? You understand my point? From which point minus is getting started here? अभिनव जी, -3 से शुरू हो रहा है ना? -3 से शुरू हो रहा है तो -3 मैंने ले रहा हूँ. आ रहा है समझ? So this Wavy-Cow method concept is a very good concept. No, we'll take one class on that. इधर से कोई ना, कुछ भी नहीं है. इधर से बहुत सिंपल है. देखो इसके बाद continue. So that is what I found it here. X0 is my local maximum point. After finding that, I just got here. So substituted, I got it.
After it clear, sir. After it clear.
Clear ना? हाँ, ऐसा कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लेना बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है? You don't be with a doubt, guys. Don't be with a doubt. Try to ask it. No problem. Sir, next question.
Sir, if you are substituting +3 in place of x0, sir, then also we are getting -4 in the answer.
-4. No. Local maxima is asking for. Then whenever is asking local maxima, you need to look at minimum point. Clear?
So, sir, then what is +3, sir? It is local minimum, sir. +3. We got -3 as local maxima.
Sir, so +3 is local minima, sir.
Yes, local minima.
Okay.
See, whenever local maxima का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो कहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है, कहाँ से घट रहा है. इधर से शुरू होकर यहाँ घट रहा है. तो कहाँ से घटना शुरू किया? -3 से घटना शुरू किया. तो -3 मैंने ले लिया as my local maxima point. Understand? See guys, whenever we are solving application of derivatives question, हमने बहुत सारे questions करेंगे. See ये तो कहाँ से ये question आके इधर जुड़ गया, तो problem नहीं है. तो if even you don't understand perfectly now, you just leave it as it is here. Whenever we are solving AOD problems, application of derivatives problems, you can understand in much clear. You can understand much clearly in that application of derivatives chapter. All right, we will be solving multiple questions, right? आपको multiple questions solve करने से आपको idea पता चलेगा कि अरे यार कैसा solve कर रहे हैं हम लोग. ठीक है? See, this is how by using Wavy-Cow method, and I just found out local maxima point. After finding local maxima point, I substituted in a expression so that I got my equation, my answer. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Make it fast. हमारे को we can expect a simple we can expect one question from local maxima minima from application of derivatives and maxima minima you can find it out from calculus part local minima maxima a local maxima local minima maximum value minimum value increasing strictly decreasing decreasing strictly decreasing or rate of change of quantity a tangent a normal these are the main areas where you need to focus on. These are the very important topics where you can expect a question. So eighth question. So a vector given, then the value of this is what? Then the value of this one. Make it fast. Make it fast. So you just take individually, guys. इसको थोड़ा individually उठाओ, सबको individually उठा के solve कियो.
हाँ सर, इंडिविजुअल उठा के.
Individually you just take it as individual and सब individually उठा के solve करके, then you can find it out. Make it fast.
Sir, options, sir.
You need options. For this question, we don't have option. This is a multiple, like fill in the blank question. Tell me what you got.
सर 18 आंसर है.
18 आंसर क्यों? Why? How?
सर मैंने अकेले अकेले निकाला, तो पहले जो किया मैंने आई कैप इंटू आई कैप इक्वल्स टू इंटू ए वेक्टर माइनस, पहले का बता रहा हूँ, इंटू ए वेक्टर आई कैप, और वैसे में किया तो उससे मेरा आया ए वेक्टर माइनस 2 आई कैप इक्वल ये आया. तो मैंने उसको इक्वेशन में से देखा तो एक मैं सिर्फ -2 आई कैप उधर ले गया, तो मेरा बचा j + 2 k कैप, और वैसे ही मैंने बाकियों में भी किया.
ओके.
तो मेरा 2 आई कैप प्लस बाकियों में आया j + 2, ये आया j + 2 k कैप, 2 आई कैप प्लस 2 k कैप, और 2 आई कैप प्लस j कैप. तो मैंने मैग्नीट्यूड निकाल लिया इन तीनों का. तो मेरा
Magnitude of A is what?
सर मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए, सर मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए थोड़े ना निकालना है, इनका निकालना है. तो मैंने j + 2 k कैप का मैग्नीट्यूड का होल स्क्वायर निकाल लिया, तो 5 आया. फिर वैसे ही उसका 8 आया, 2 + 2 का वो और 5 आया, इसलिए मैं पूछ रहा
√9, तो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए स्क्वायर कितना मिलेगा तुझे? 9 मिलेगा।
हूँ।
मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए स्क्वायर 9 मिलेगा। हाँ, तो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस व्हाट यू गॉट? आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस व्हाट यू गॉट? व्हाट दिस व्हाट
So
यू गॉट?
after solving that, sir, I got a vector minus 2 I cap.
हाँ, एक मिनट। सो ये आई, सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस व्हाट यू गॉट?
So
देखो इसको मैंने प्रॉपर्टी लिखवाया था ना, मैंने प्रॉपर्टी में देख लेना। देखो दिस इनटू दिस।
हाँ सर वो किया है मैंने।
हाँ, तो क्या बचा आपको? आई इंटू
a vector minus a vector
ये वेक्टर
into
आई कैप बट आई का।
I cap. So इधर से a vector बचेगा और इधर से
ये क्या बचेगा? व्हाट इज आई डॉट आई? आई डॉट आई क्या होता है?
so 1
1। तो ये माइनस इधर क्या बचेगा?
तो इधर बचेगा I और I इधर ये तो इधर बचना तो 2 इधर क्या I तो नीचे वाले में ऊपर वाले में
दिस में
एक सेकंड हुआ है क्या?
तो प्लस जे। सो ये आई, तो इधर मुझे बचा ये आई। सो ये वेक्टर आई डॉट आई। तो हाँ गाइस, लुक एट दिस इन डॉट प्रोडक्ट हाउ आई हैव डन दिस। In dot product, how I have done this? Guys, if you know one thing, everything is pattern. आपको एक पता चल जाएगा तो पैटर्न पता चल जाएगा। गाइस, अरे भाई ये ऐसा पता है ना हमको, क्या बोलते इसको, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, आई जे के। अगर ऐसा गया तो
ये
पॉजिटिव, अगर ऐसा गया तो नेगेटिव। ऐसा लिखा हुआ था ना मैंने प्रॉपर्टी में। हाँ, देखो इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग दिस स्टफ, इधर आई स्क्वायर है ना मेरे पास, आई आई कैप स्क्वायर है, तो मुझे क्या कर दूंगा मैंने? सो ए वेक्टर दिया ना, इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग ऑल दिस मैंने करूंगा मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड विथ आई कैप। तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? मुझे एक रिलेशन मिलेगा। देखो सो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, तो ये क्रॉस आई। देखो ये क्या मुझे क्या ये क्या बचेगा? आई क्रॉस आई। देखो आई क्रॉस आई, आई क्रॉस आई, तो क्या बचेगा? जीरो। आई क्रॉस आई तो जीरो हो जाएगा। प्लस जे क्रॉस आई तो क्या बचेगा? माइनस के। भाई जे क्रॉस आई तो माइनस के ना, दिस इनटू दिस वाई, जे कैप
Yes,
इनटू
sir.
आई कैप, तो
Yes,
माइनस
sir.
के उल्टा उल्टा, जे उल्टा जा रहा है ना मैंने, तो
Yes,
माइनस।
sir.
तो इधर क्या बचेगा? 2 टाइम्स ऑफ के आई, तो क्या बचेगा?
Minus J.
J
प्लस
plus
J।
2J
Plus J.
minus K.
तो ये बचेगा माइनस के क्या प्लस। हाँ, आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट। देखो देखो आई क्रॉस के व्हाट आई गॉट, आई कैप। सो ए क्रॉस आई व्हाट आई गॉट गाइस, माइनस के कैप प्लस 2J कैप। दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट, इजंट इट?
Yes, sir.
So minus of minus J
Plus
इधर इधर कुछ ना गड़बड़ी कर दिया हमने। Why do I write this? 1 second. हाँ, this is what I got here. तो I क्रॉस के क्या बचेगा मुझे? I, भाई ये देखो इधर, ये देखो, ये सर्किल को देखो, I माइनस के आई कैप क्रॉस के कैप क्या बचेगा? आई क्रॉस कैप के क्या प्लस जे ना, माइनस का माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, तो प्लस जे प्लस 2k आई जे तो के बचेगा सिंपल गाइस। आई जे है तो प्लस के ना, ये दिस क्रॉस दिस तो के बचेगा, इजंट इट? आई क्रॉस
Yes,
जे
sir.
इज के कैप, आई मीन क्या बोलते हैं यार, के कैप। हाँ, so this is what I got. So now I'm getting j whenever it is starting with I, I'm getting jk. Look at this pattern क्या होगा? When it is starting with j, तो what is the pattern here? j cross a. Look at this j cross a. हाँ, ये क्रॉस j गया है, दिया तो क्या ये मुझे क्या बचेगा बताओ? What is the pattern is going to be now? What is the pattern? Tell me, इसका आंसर बताओ जल्दी से। k क्या, a वेक्टर क्रॉस k क्या, ये क्या बचेगा बताओ? जल्दी से जल्दी बताओ इसका दोनों का आंसर। पैटर्न देखो, पैटर्न समझो, पैटर्न कैसा आ रहा है। आई का आई से शुरू हो रहा है तो ये मिल रहा है, तो जे कैप। हाँ, इसका पैटर्न बताओ जल्दी से।
k plus 2i sir.
Sir,
हाँ,
k cap plus 2i cap.
के
K cap plus 2i cap.
के कैप प्लस 2i कैप। हाँ, इसका
I plus 2 देखो,
हाँ,
I plus 2
आई प्लस 2 है।
जी। तो आई जे मिला। भाई ऐसा मत करना, देखो जे ये है ना, तो ये इधर ये आई मतलब ये मिला था मुझे, दैट इज व्हाई आई रोट हियर। एंड ये आई ये जे, आई डू नॉट नो ये जे ये। भाई वी आर मेकिंग सम व्हाट, देखो इसको कैसा लिखूंगा मैंने अभी, जे क्या क्रॉस, ये क्रॉस आई को तो ये मिला था, तो ये क्रॉस जे क्या मिलेगा बताओ? ये क्रॉस जे क्या मिलेगा, फाइंड आउट करो। ये क्रॉस के क्या मिलेगा? आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट, आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट। अप्लाई द लॉजिक हियर, पैटर्न देखो भाई। तो ये करे ऐसे करेंगे, तो जे कैप क्रॉस ये कैप जे कैप, तो मुझे मिलेगा 2i कैप प्लस 2k कैप। हाँ, फर्स्ट यू सॉल्व दिस, देन यू सब्स्टिट्यूट। सो इधर बचेगा मुझे 2i कैप प्लस j कैप। सो व्हाट इज आस्किंग फॉर? लुक एट दिस, इज आस्किंग फॉर स्क्वायर ना, इधर स्क्वायर है, इधर भी स्क्वायर है, इधर सबका स्क्वायर है, तेरा स्क्वायर, मेरा स्क्वायर, सबका स्क्वायर। देखो सबका स्क्वायर उठाओ, सबका स्क्वायर करो, इसका स्क्वायर करो, इसका स्क्वायर करो, इसका स्क्वायर करो। आफ्टर डूइंग स्क्वायर व्हाट आई गॉट, व्हाट विल आई गेट, व्हाट विल आई गेट, टेल मी व्हाट विल आई गेट। इसका क्या मिलेगा? 4 + 1 5। इसका क्या मिलेगा? 4 + 4 8। इसका मिलेगा 5। तो क्या करना है, इसको एडिशन करना है, सब एडिशन करो, तो सब क्या करेगा? प्लस प्लस 30 + 8। दिस इज माय आंसर। I asked him, this is how you must do, this is how this question is depth। इतना डेप्थ है देखो भाई।
Sir, how you got sir? J plus 2k cap.
हाँ
J plus 2k cap is 5 sir. Whole square 5. How you got?
भाई इसका मैग्नीट्यूड निकाला मैंने,
Okay.
2 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर कितना 5, 4 प्लस 1 5, इधर भी 2 स्क्वायर 4 होगा, 4 प्लस 4 8, इधर 2 स्क्वायर कितना होगा देखो, इधर 2 स्क्वायर कितना 4 प्लस 1 5, ऐसा आया समझ। स्क्वायर है ना, मैग्नीट्यूड निकालने के बाद स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना, आ रहा है समझ। मैग्नीट्यूड निकालने के बाद 2 स्क्वायर 4 प्लस 1 तो स्क्वायर है, तो ये कैंसिल हो गया, 5 बचेगा ना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भाई, वी आर टेकिंग मच टाइम ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, solve this question within 30 seconds. Guys, I think we have done with the time, so you solve remaining questions, guys. Try to solve this remaining question. We didn't see the time, so I have next class for your juniors. Guys, ये क्वेश्चन आपने जितना भी हो सके उतना कर सकते हो आपने. These questions are homework.
Okay, sir.
I have class for your juniors now. Okay, let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session and then goodbye. Thank you. Please revise the class notes. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.